Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Tame the Flame. I'm KUDU founder Stebbin Horn here with the KUDU mascot Kruger. Want to talk to you today about the smoker lid. It's by far the most popular accessory. You can find it either as an individual accessory or on our Blaze package where you get the smoker lid and the grill cover all in one. But the smoker lid is a very functional product for open fire cooking. Anytime you want to capture that smoke, you can use this smoker lid to really do so. One of the nice things about it is if you can do low and slow by raising the grill up, having your heat source back here, and you're managing your temperature that way, or if you're maybe cooking burgers and you're wanting to bring the temperature up to melt cheese, you can easily do that and just have the smoker lid on here. One of the nice things about the smoker lid is this handle, because when you're cooking and you're wanting to do something and you want to check your food out, you can simply just raise this up and put your smoker lid right here. So you're not having to put it somewhere else. It's right here by the grill. You can turn your meat, you can adjust your vegetables, you can do whatever you're cooking, and then you can take it and put it right back on. Another thing that we use the smoker lid for is saving our fuel. People think, well, you've got this open fire cooker, I put charcoal in here, I put wood in here, that I'm gonna lose it. Well, that's not the case with the smoker lid. You can be cooking, you can gather your charcoal and your charcoal starters here in the middle, you can pile it all up. Simply take your smoker lid, shut it down. That way, the next time you cook on it in the morning, there it is, ready for you to use. And lastly, one of the fun things to do with the smoker lid is cold smoke. Because of how the elevation bar system works and the patented use of the KUDU, you can actually cold smoke on this product by lowering it, getting it completely off the grill. So you've got your food over here, not getting any heat, and then you can bring your fuel over and the smoke will travel into the smoker lid and out. You can do some incredible cold smoked salmons and things of that nature. So really a great accessory, one that people use frequently and one that we think that you would really enjoy. So thanks for tuning in to Tame the Flame, and we'll be bringing you more KUDU hacks, more KUDU accessories, and more delicious recipes that you can use with your family and friends around the KUDU.